feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make me...
Right guys, so in the box you get, I got it in mint by the way, you get the Cricut mat. Again, I'm new to Cricut, I've never used this before ever. Apparently you can get different kinds of mats. This is the light grip, so it might mean that I need a couple of extra mats. I'm actually going to be creating my own stickers because I'm not sure if this one, the light grip one, is the one that I need. So inside as well you've got a little pack to tell you what to do as well. Open me first, instructions, and inside here we have the Cricut. So let me just grab it. So you'll also get the GB power cable. You also get an American one as well, that you can swap out, and the power cord. You get the pen as well, because I believe it can draw certain images too, which is really good. And then I think you get obviously a USB to, you know, a USB cable to put it to your computer, but it is sort of Wi-Fi enabled as well, which is really good. So you don't actually need. So I'm going to use my little table that I normally put my laptop on when I'm doing my filming. I'm going to use that for now because I haven't got anything else to put it on. I might have to get another unit because it's not going to fit in a cube. That's got my printer on, and yeah, I haven't got anywhere else for it to go, so until I have a little bit of a rethink. So I'm going to get that out now and I'm going to place that together.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing.
So this is the machine. I'm really happy with it. I haven't tried it yet, obviously. So I believe they're for your tools, which I think Sam's got me. Valentine's, they've not arrived yet. And you get a little area here for blades. And another little area here for more tools. I got it in mint, and I'm not kidding, these are sold out everywhere. I searched everywhere to get them. Sold out Hobbycraft, sold out John Lewis. They only had like the sunset yellow at Hobbycraft and the sort of dark bluey sort of colour, and I didn't really want those colours. I really wanted the mint shade. So here it is. I'm going to see if I can set it up. Again, I think this is the little wheel to do with what sort of settings it is. Iron-on vinyl paper, and I have to work out what settings what. Guys, slight change of plan. I've moved my Cricut here. I've actually just been online now and I've ordered a new unit for here from Amazon. I think what I might do, let me just roll over, is I'm not going to use this table because I do use this as my sort of filming table whenever I'm doing sort of filming with my bigger camera, and I use it for my laptop stand, and it does fold up and put away, so I'm going to leave that. I've got an actual proper printer unit, so what I want to do, and I've ordered an extra cable because the cable to this is an old printer. It's about 6-7 years old, so it is still good quality print and everything, it's just an old one, but the cable, for some reason the Wi-Fi on this is a little bit dodgy. So I have to use a cable, but the cable is dead short. So I'm going to, I've ordered a new cable, a longer one, and I'm going to put the printer there because you need more space for the Cricut really. You need the space to be able to like load the mat and stuff, and this area it's not quite big enough to load the mat. So I put that there for now, and then I'm going to swap them around and tidy this. And the actual new unit is really good because it's got a cupboard underneath. You can put all your bits and pieces. Like in this drawer here, this is just full of like filming stuff. There's like cables and chargers and things for the stuff that I use, so that's full of that. Batteries and stuff are in these sort of top drawers here, and then this drawer again is just full of full of stuff really that I could do with sorting out. But yeah, I might get around to that, and I'm going to tidy up this desk a little bit as well, be a little bit more minimalistic. As I say, I've been online, and as an Amazon, the cubes here for Amazon are well expensive, but I know they do them at B&M. They do a 2-pack from B&M for £7, so I'm going to go and get those ones. They do some grey ones, I've seen them online. And then I'm just going to tidy this sort of mess up as well here. So yeah, that is the plan at the moment. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through the little leaflet. So obviously you get the leaflet, the setup of the leaflet. So I need to go on to, I plugged it in, I've connected. I just need to go to Cricut.com to set up, and then we're going to make a little bit of something, because you get 2 little papers in your pack that I think we're obviously going to use to cut something out. So I'm going to do that bit now, film it for you.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
Right guys, so it's asking me to do a test cut, so I'm going to do, I kind of like the flower, but I kind of like the lips as well. They're quite cute, and so I like the crown too. So I think I might do the lips. They'll be the good ones to do. So let's click on lips. Next, select the material, so cardstock. So let's go over to the machine and turn the dial to cardstock. Place small cardstock on the top left hand corner of the mat. So I'll let me prepare the mat. I believe you take this off. So we'll do it in the black, I think. It's not the best place because I haven't really got anywhere to take that off. And place it, this is kind of tacky as well. So place it in the top left hand corner of the mat. So here's my first test cut there, and it obviously is the lips. I'll see how it peels off the back, and I don't have the tools yet, so Sam's just brought me a nice bagel and a cup of tea. Let's just turn this around, that way you can bend the board and it should come off like that way. You need kind of like a table to do this. It's just not enough room on here, and I don't want to get sort of stuff stuck to the sticky mat. Ah, how'd you not bend the cardboard? Right, so I've took that off, and what's left is my little lips. So now I'm going to try, what can I use to, because I don't have tools yet, so maybe I can use my ruler to get it off. That's it. You just, actually it's easy to just sort of curl the mat, and it should just come off like so, and you're left with a little bit on the mouth. So there's a couple of little bits. Obviously when I get the tools, I'll be able to actually pick, when I get the tools I'll be able to sort of pick them out properly. There's one little bit in the lip that I've not been able to get. Can you see that? There we go. So yeah, there's one little bit in the lips that I've not been able to pick out, but that is so cute. It'd be so much better once I get the tools, I think, because like I said, it's not easy without them, and I need somewhere to lean as well. So hopefully that little table will come in handy, because I can use that as sort of like put up, put down sort of table. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using it. It's really good. Dead easy to use as well. I'm going to have a look, see what else I can cut out now. I'll see if I can film it as well, and I'll see how well I go. This is my first time, so yeah. Right guys, I've just drawn up, well I did it a few days ago actually, a picture of a coffee, like a Starbucks coffee cup. I'm going to print it out and see if I can cut it out. So I've just sort of airdropped it from the iPad to my computer, so I'm just gonna, it's called Coffee Time, so I'm just gonna take that off. I've saved it as a PNG. I don't really know what I'm doing here, so I'm gonna go to the design space. I'll start screen recording so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna go to the design space and create a new project. I'm guessing here I'm gonna put new. Do I just drag and drop it? Let's see. Yeah, no. Right, what do we do? Oh, upload. Stupid, I'm an idiot. Upload image. So upload image, drag and drop, here we go. So I'm going to put my coffee time in there. Right, so I've seen a lot of videos about this, so I'm going to click complex, continue. Is that right? Oh, it's huge. Okay. So click on the areas you want to remove. Right, I don't want to remove anything because I've already done that. So I'm going to click continue. See, it's giving me my outline. Ooh, is there a fleck there? I don't know. Can we go back? I can see a little fleck on the screen. I don't know whether that matters. Can we go back? No. Yes. Although I can't see a fleck when you look at the picture. Maybe it's just on my monitor. Okay, let's click continue. Still a little fleck there. Oh, for God's sake, honestly. Let's go back. Back. Although I cannot see anything. It's obviously on the white layer. On the cutout layer. Select and erase. Right, I'm just going to give it a go. Oh, let's just click the preview button. Yes, there's this little fleck there. Preview. Yes, it's gone. Yes, I've made it work. So continue. Right, so we're perfect. There's nothing untoward on there. I'm going to save and print, then cut image. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to save. It's quite straightforward, the actual design space itself seems to be. And now I know I'm going to have to copy it up, I think, on the images. Right, so we're going to click this.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me.
Oh my god, guys, I had so much trouble with the Cricut. Couldn't get it working. Now I've got it working, and I made these little beauties. Sorry I didn't finish filming, but I had so much trouble with the setup. Sorry, the light's not that good there, is it? Let me just turn that off. These are my little coffee time stickers, but as you can see, the cut is a little bit off on them. There's cutting too much on this side, so I'm just about, I'm gonna calibrate the machine. So yeah, I finally sorted it out. It's just took me about 3 hours, and yeah, hopefully I can keep it working. So anyway, I'm gonna leave this video here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical.